不足で実現不能さルーザー取ってつけた極論に振り回されタイムオーバーどこかの誰かのリツイートどこかの基準はいいですで試されてるようなリアルに答えを探してる暇もないああいうのフィクションの世界でなんや隠してる誰も見せないフェイス人知れず鳴らしたまでに気づいたのは痛いほど僕さ悩み抜いてるその手のジョーカーにシナリオはもう異常事態だって細すぎた干渉表面に黒幕みたいなライアーフェイス
The master will be safe, but I wonder. Bro, I just want to chill. Wow, Moonlight. Attacking me head on? That's unlike you. I had enough playing around with your models. Ha! Each time I fire up, meet my new questions, flare horizon, and shadowing. If the discoveries, it's checkmate hypernova. How did I win? I won! Wait, something is wrong. I was fucking fake, wasn't I? But you have to be here in person to infect people's minds. I can't find him. This is his domain. Whatever he's planning with my body. Lightning is in my way. Remove him. Oh, lightning. What is he planning to do with our body? Next, it's king of the stick.
What is going on here? No. Not this time. Now. Die! Not this time.
You take out there. What is that? A portal?
Wake up!
Hold on. I can't lose. Copy. Domain extension. Naming dimension.
We should go before this dimension gets erased and recreated multiple times.
Huh? Continue this. What is this? Is this weakness? Is this death? But how? No, not like this. I can't die like this. I have to keep going for everyone, for myself. But I'm just so tired. I'm so tired of all of this. I just want to sleep. I'm tired. But not yet.
I think we're out of Firefox's way. You were saying?
Be so for real now. Now you right.
Darken? Darken!
sure to subscribe.
Hey, yo, chill. I'm at least trying.
This is quite interesting. You're holding back. Why? No more holding back.
We didn't even get to 120%.
Where did you get going, buddy? Crumble. 8, 4, 5, Riptide.
I'm not even a Pikachu. Wait, how did you know?
Erase.
So this is the void. Huh? What's this? Let's destroy this dimension.
Joga com a rabeta pra lá, joga a rabeta, joga a rabeta, joga a rabeta, rabeta, paleta, rabeta, paleta, paleta, joga a rabeta, rabeta, paleta, rabeta, paleta, paleta, rabeta, paleta, paleta, joga a rabeta, 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 joga a rabeta.
Thought you were stronger, you weak. Who are you?
Destroy this dimension.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where we go. Me and my friends are at the table doing shots, drinking fast and then we talk slow. Nobody's got a conversation, we just wait, try to speak in the chance. Put my hands up, put them out on the jukebox and now we start. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Love is not made for somebody like me. Come on, follow my lead.
Bring it.
Boy, let's not talk too much. Now I'm always
Pretty strong, but I'm ending you here.
somebody like me. Come on, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Now I'm always put that body on me. Come on, follow my lead. Come on, follow my love with your body.
So,
I'm in love with your body.
Not yet.
Who are you?
who are you?
I came here to defeat you, like what my master said.
Trying to defeat me? Look around you, this place is destroyed, and you're trying to defeat me? Bet.
tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai jogando, oi. Vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, tomando, vai jogando.
You're strong, but I'm ending all of you here.
Vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando.
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Vai jogando, você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando. Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando.
We're back. We're back. Finally. Took y'all long enough. Anyways, Land, how did your dimension get deleted? Oh. But the one thing I want to know is, how did the corruption even happen? I may know how it happened and how it all started. You knew? Yeah, it happened 2 years ago. And it was kind of my fault. I'm bored. Time to see what's there to do. What the? We got a problem. Good thing that's gone and evil lightning is defeated. Where am I? In the void. There's nothing left. But no worries.
I can fix that.
Wait, what are you doing? Ah! Stay back! What is this? Get away! And now we can't beat it. We're done. Don't even finish that sentence like it's over. Lightning. If we're going to defeat him, then we're going to get stronger and better. I knew you were going to say something like that.
So I heard I was gonna train. Okay, let's train.
Looks like it's okay for now. Everyone, back away! It's exploding!